Last night was fun. Everybody was cool. Everybody was having a good time. I met one of the new girls.
My thing is, I don't like, number one, I do not like confrontation, and I do not like arguing, and I want everything to be peaceful and right, and it's not realistic.
I really don't get along with chicks like that. I hate meeting new bitches.
I used to just go off right there. Not really go off, but just, you know, say, like Todd would do. No, absolutely not.
I'm sick of all of the fat jokes. That's what I'm sick of.
Every woman has been in that situation before, but it's not the typical fight.
I've been up here since 2 o'clock because I've been out getting the stones and taking that stuff back since 12. That's bullshit. That's working with unprofessional people who never worked on a production show. And I tell you, if you do that shit in New York, your ass will be booted out and you will never be let in again. But this is Detroit. I know the fucking routine, so what the fuck you saying? What the fuck are you saying? I know it!
You must possess 3 top qualities. You must be able to sing, dance, and act.
Come on, let's go get in the car. Get out and take your ass out of here. It's for my back pain. The play is completely innovative. I don't want anyone to think it's just a play because it's not. It is a musical. It's kind of like Dreamgirls meets Chicago.
All right. Meets Players Club.
It's about women's struggles. You know, each one of us have an individual story, and it gets told in such a creative way. Absolutely. We're dancing our butts off.
Oh my God.
We are singing our
I was going to say there has to be some singing up in there.
Oh, there absolutely.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you.
Be prepared to see something you've never seen before, especially not in urban theater.
I've always known, I know this is what I want to do, but I've been doing it all my life. Like, going to the theater, those semesters when I did that at school were the only semesters that I felt like I felt alive.